A complaint on Saturday. You picked up a lady with a dog from Thameside Crescent, took her to the vets and charged her £10.
I've got proof, okay? I've got dashcam or conversation.
Mungkin yang dia mau tuh ya kan, yang Steve mungkin pecat gue gitu loh. Well guys, welcome back guys. So, kurang lebih nggak ada 1 jam yang lalu lah, 30-40 menit yang lalu lah ya, bos gue nelpon. Biasa guys ya, kalian mau di mana aja yang kerja ya, kalau namanya telepon lo, kalian tahu tuh atasan kalian, bos kalian pasti deg-degan ya kan. Sama aja guys, gue juga waktu setiap kali ya sama, kali ini pokoknya waktu dia nelpon apa lagi nih ya kan. Dan ya, ternyata guys, ada customer yang komplain sama gue. Dia komplain hari Sabtu kemarin. Gue kasih kalian dengar nih percakapan gue sama bos gue.
Hello, morning Steve.
I had a complaint on Saturday. You picked up a lady with a dog from Thameside Crescent, took her to the vets and charged her £10.
Oh, blimey, mate. She's the one that decided to give me 10 quid.
Thank you.
Was she saying that you wouldn't give her no change?
No, I said to her, because it was £4 something, Steve, right? And she said to me, take 6, you know. And then I replied to her, do you have £1 so I can give her back like 5 quid, right? And then after that, she said, no, just take 10 quid.
Well, she's mate. Can you put £4 back through her letterbox then? Is that okay?
Right, I've got proof, okay? I've got dashcam or conversation. I save it, so...
No, I believe you, but I mean, we
Yeah.
can't. She'd put it all over bloody Facebook otherwise. It ain't worth the grief, mate. You can just give it back. Is that all right? £4. Put
Yeah.
£4 for a letterbox.
Yeah,
All right, mate.
it's alright, Bloody
Appreciate
hell,
it. Thanks, Dal.
Alright,
Thank you,
cheers,
bye.
mate. Yeah, bye.
Well guys, untuk memperjelas lagi ya, gue dapet nih customer, gue lupa hari apa ya, cuma waktu itu perjalanan tuh singkat sekali guys, cuma 2-3 menit, dan tagihan tuh intinya cuma £4 sekian deh. Cuma waktu gue jemput dia, ini biasanya ya kalau kita ada penumpang yang bawa anjing atau apalah, cuma umumnya anjing, biasanya itu dari office akan tanya ke kita boleh apa enggak gitu loh. Nah tadinya gue nggak ada masalah guys, cuma setelah gue pengalaman gue ngebersihin itu apa sisa-sisa ya rambut apalah semuanya lah, nggak worth it gitu loh. Dan umumnya mereka tuh yang cuma ke vet, yang cuma short journey gitu loh, nggak masalah juga apalagi panjang ya, gue juga males. Cuma intinya sih setelah itu gue decided no more, you know, cukup udah. Dan emang biasa office tuh akan selalu tanya, lo mau ini nggak, anjing nggak apa-apa. Jadi waktu itu guys, gue nggak dapet message dari office tanya gue. Jadi pas gue sampai ke customernya nih ya, gue lihat ya ampun bawa anjing lagi ya kan, gue yang. Jadi pas dia masuk itu guys, mungkin gue kasih dengar kalian juga nih ya, karena gue udah bukti guys, gue udah bukti dashcam gue ini ngerekam audio juga, jadi ya bukti gue ya kan.
I've got to rush her to the vets.
Yeah. Sorry, they didn't say anything about
Sorry, I
dog.
did tell him.
Huh?
I did tell him.
Yeah,
She's cut her foot wide open.
Heading to Riverside BTR and reach ERP. ASAP.
You have a card? Oh.
Take 6.
You have no...
I'll just take 10.
You sure?
Yeah, because I've got to get her here, so. Thank you.
Thank you. All the best,
Take
hopefully.
Oh, alright.
One car needed Morrison
Gue bilang
safety.
gede gitu loh, walah. Maksudnya gue nggak tahu nih soal anjing, ya kan? Gue nggak tahu soal anjing. Dia bilang ke gue kalau dia bilang ke office waktu dia book. Cuma gue bilang never mind, you know. Let's go. So gue bawa dia guys sampai di sana. Tagihan tuh cuma 4 pound sekian. Dikasih ke gue 20. Gue bilang ke dia, and then dia bilang ke gue ambil aja 6 pound ya gitu loh. Gue karena bukan gue nggak ada kembalian guys, gue coba save apa sih, hemat-hemat koin gue itu. Gue bilang ke dia ada 1 pound ya kan, jadi gue kembaliin ke dia 15. Dia bilang dia nggak ada. Gue nggak ada bilang apa-apa lagi kalau nggak salah. Abis itu dia bilang udah ambil aja 10 pound ya kan, kembaliin aja 10. Udah gue bilang makasih dong ya, dikasih tip ya kan. Ya itu aja guys. Dan tadi gue telepon sama bos gue, dia bilang kalau dia komplain sampai ke Facebook guys, sampai ke Facebook kalau gue nge-charge dia tuh 10 pound. Tadi gue dapet job ke Southend, gue sampai curhat aja sama ibu-ibunya. Ngeluarin unek-unek gue niat mau samparin orang, gue tahu dia di mana dia tinggal ya kan, gue udah bukti. Tapi bos gue bilang nggak worth it gitu loh, mau saya kayak gitu lah. Ini nih gue lagi mau ke office nih guys, gue mau jelas aja. Bukan soal uang, maksudnya apa ini ya guys, itu nama baik sih ya, nama baik ya. Lo telling lies ya kan. Gue mampir nih di office, mudah-mudahan bos gue ada nih. Harusnya sih ada. Gue juga mau nanya pendapat. Ini office gue sebelah kanan nih guys. Terus gue gak bisa ngerekam guys. Ternyata Steve kayaknya gak ada. Bos gue namanya Steve ya, kayaknya gak ada. Gue mau ngomongnya sama Debbie ya. Nah, kalian gak bisa lihat ini guys, gue gak bakal videoin lah ya kan. Cuma mungkin audionya nanti ya. Gue bawa ini jaga-jaga audionya aja, simpen. So ini office-nya guys.
Hello, Steve.
Morning.
When the computer plays ball. He's telling me about £7 roughly. You can do either in the cars, they've all got card machines. Alright, all done for you for Wednesday. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, would that be alright?
Yeah.
Do you know anything about that customer complaint?
Yeah.
Steve called me this morning.
Yeah, she rang me on Saturday. Hello, Steve. Where from? And where's it going to? Okay, all done for you. Lovely, thanks a lot. Bye. Yeah, she called
So
me on
yeah,
Saturday.
you know who's at the office when she booked the job?
No. Why?
Because at that time I didn't know anything. Because she would normally ask if I'm gonna take a dog or not.
She didn't say. She didn't tell him. She said
Say-
to me on Saturday, I didn't say that I had the dog, so I was panicking because the dog was bleeding.
Yeah,
She
it was
said, no, I
really
didn't say that there was a
because
dog.
just
so-
before she get into the car, I said to her, no one said anything about the dog, and she said to me that she said that when she booked
She
the
told me on
book,
Saturday. She told me on Saturday that she didn't say that she had the dog.
but she said to me, she said it. you know.
Who knows? But she
I
said
know,
to me,
yeah.
I didn't say, because I was panicking, I
Yeah.
didn't say I had the dog,
Yeah.
which I normally would do.
But then I mean that's not the issue, you know. Like now, obviously I still take because the dog was bleeding, you know.
Yeah.
Because like I explained to Steve, you know, when we get there, it's only like £4 something, and she gave me a £20 note, and then she said to me, just
She
take.
said it was a tenner.
Oh, sorry, it was a tenner.
She
No,
said it was a tenner.
no, she said £20.
See?
See, and then she said, just take £6.
Yeah.
No, it was definitely £20 note.
See, she told me a tenner, so yeah. So
And then, well, she was panicking with her dog
yeah,
anyway.
Yeah.
And she said to me, take 6, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And me, it's not that I don't have a change. I said, you have £1 coin, so I could give you back like
She
basically
said,
15.
I've got no change. This is what I mean. So it's all, yeah, exactly. I think she was too panicked
Yeah,
to
yeah.
know what was bloody
But
going
then
on.
to go on Facebook, you know, and then I said to Steve, no, I got dash cam, I got record
Yeah,
audio. That's
Oh,
my proof.
He believes you anyway. He said it doesn't, because
Yeah.
we've never had a complaint about you. Like,
Yeah,
so I
exactly.
thought it
Like
was a bit weird.
even now, it's so upsetting me. Like no one
Uh,
ever complained about me.
No, I think it's all, she got herself so panicked that
Yeah.
she didn't know her bloody arse from her elbow, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
I won't worry about it. She's a regular anyway. We pick
Yeah.
her up quite a lot. Like,
I
she
did
takes
pick
her
her
kids
up
to school.
before, but yeah,
Yeah.
it's just that
Don't
one
worry
time.
about her. Don't worry about it. Steve's worried that she hasn't gone on Facebook. Steve's worried that she will go on Facebook, because they normally
okay.
do, because they get a bit gobby, don't they? But,
I actually just gonna give the £10 back, you know.
yeah, entirely up to you what you want to do. But yeah, I think Steve asked you to take some money back to her, didn't he? So
Yeah. It's fine, and I'll go to her place then.
yeah. I think she obviously, whatever she said doesn't match what you've said, and
Plus, I've got proof.
Exactly.
So-
I think she was so panicky. She
Yeah.
just got herself all
Alright
bloody
then,
mixed up.
Thank you,
no
thank you.
worries. Hello, Steve.
Alright, guys. Wah, nggak tahu tadi kalau kalian dengar ya. Nggak pernah ada orang komplain soal gue, guys. Asli. Nggak pernah. Jadi mau dapet kayak gini, orang komplain ke gue ke office, kalian ngambil ini, guys, business card. Ngeselin aja, guys, ngeselin. So ini gue bilang, ya gue bakal ke rumahnya dia, guys. Gue bakal balikin 10 poundnya. Free ride for her. Gue lupa bilang malah tadi. Gue harus bersihin door handle gue, guys. Ada bekas darah apa. Mau gue bukti nih, kalau mau tes DNA nih masih ada di sini nih. Gue bersihin pakai ini, guys. Belum gue buang, darahnya masih ada di sini. So parah nih, mungkin gue salah ya. Cuma waktu bos gue telepon bilang udah di Facebook lah apalah. According to Debbie, they just worry, you know, she got Facebook and and then yeah. Oh, okay guys, we're gonna pay her a visit. Kita bakal kunjungi dia. Gue bakal balikin 10 poundnya dia, guys. Ya, mereka bilang ya, Steve ya, mereka semua percaya kok sama gue. Selama ini ya nggak ada yang komplain soal gue, apalagi mau minta apa tagihan tuh yang melebihi apa yang apa melebihi argo. Dan tadi tuh kebukti tuh omongan tuh nggak sama gitu loh. Dia bilang, dia ngaku apa, dia bilang ke gua kalau dia bilang ke office waktu dia book dia punya anjing kan, makanya gua udah feeling nih, karena dia komplain udah kebukti gitu, dia orangnya tuh nggak bisa dipercaya, dan apa yang dia bilang emang semuanya tuh bohong aja. Let's go to her place. Ini ada mobil kecil nih guys. Wait, gue agak bingung nih. Kayaknya ini nih. Alright.
1 car needed Rockford.
10 pound guys. Gue ambil 10 pound nih. Kayaknya bisa nih.
1 car needed Bentley 3.
Kameranya gue kasih di sini. Kan biar nggak bisa kelihatan sedikit. Kelihatan apa nih? Oh iya. Alright, let's go.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Artinya nggak ada orang. Suara gue ninggalin pesan. Males gue ninggalin pesan, gue mau ngomong langsung. Gue balik lagi nanti lah. I'll be back. Alright guys, it's no luck. It's no luck. Mereka ada itu doorbell camera. Mereka pasti lihat nih. Right then guys. So you're gonna have to wait.
Hello, Dale, it's Stacey.
Oh yeah, Stacey,
Hello,
you
you're
alright?
right, yeah.
Yeah.
Debbie spoke to you about something about giving a refund.
Yeah. But the
that's
customer,
fine.
yeah.
Yeah, no, she's not indoors. She's just called me, she's not indoors. Can you just post it through a letterbox for me?
I would actually want to talk to her.
What, she's not actually home at the moment. She got a notification on the Ring doorbell.
Yeah, I know that, but
yeah.
I don't want to leave, cause yeah, I told Debbie, obviously it's her words against mine, but I got proof, I got the scam
I
and
mean,
then
to be honest, it ain't really worth you having a conversation with a customer. I mean, because obviously that could just make things a bit worse. I mean, I know it's her word against yours, but the only thing we can do is next time in future, if you get a job, just knock it back, and I'll put a note on the board that you don't want her anymore. But just, I mean, if you've been asking for a refund by Debbie, I mean, she's just called me and said she's got the notification on the Ring doorbell. She's not indoors, so you just post it through the letterbox.
yeah,
I mean, if you wait to speak to her, I mean, it could just make things 10 times worse, Dale. I mean, do you know what I mean? Then she
no,
can say, "Look,
I'm not that kind of person.
No, I know you're not.
Yeah,
I know
it
you're not. No, that's
just
what I'm saying. But that's what I'm saying. But I mean, she doesn't know that. You're not like that person at all.
yeah.
But I mean, when you're passing, could you just post it through the letterbox for me, if that's all right, Dale?
Well guys, kalian dengar tadi gue telepon dari office kalau gue tuh harus balikin aja duitnya. Jadi orangnya nggak ada di rumah, cuma itu sih gue nggak percaya ya. Gue yakin karena mereka tuh ada doorbell, ya mungkin memang nggak ada, ya udahlah nggak apa-apa, cuma dia tuh nggak mau ketemu gue. Ya, pusing guys. Orang ada aja kayak begini ya. Itu kayaknya ada tuh di rumah, mobilnya ada nih. So, tadi mobilnya nggak ada guys, ini mobilnya ada nih. Kita cek nih ya. Tadi lagi kasih di sini. Hello, mate. Sorry, I was here this morning, but there's no one answered the door. So basically, I'm working with Steve. I'm a cab driver that was a lady that took to the vet last week.
Yeah.
So she basically complained to the office that asked to pay 10 quid for a short journey. And I don't know if you know anything about it.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you know?
I'm my son.
Okay then. So basically, obviously it's her words against mine, right? But I got my desk cam, and I can prove you that I didn't ask her to pay for 10 quid. I'm just gonna tell you a quick story. So when we get there, it's only like £4 something, and she gave me like £20 note, and then she tell me just take 6 quid, and then I asked her if she have like £1 coin, so I could give her back like 15 £15 back, right? Because obviously I tried to save my coins. And then she said, no, he's got no money. And then afterwards she said, no, just take 10, She's the one that said to me that just take 10. And I said, okay, thank you. Maybe there's a misunderstanding. Maybe she didn't really heard what I said correctly, but I didn't ask her to pay for 10 quid. I asked her if she have £1 coin, so I could give her back like 15 quid basically, but I never asked her to pay like 10 quid. So yeah, that's basically like the story. If you want me, I can, like I got desk cam, I recorded, I always save my journey, so I could show it to you that I didn't ask her to pay for 10 quid. That's it. And now I'm gonna give that 10 quid back, mate. I'm gonna give that 10 quid back, okay? Cheers, thank you so much, mate. Right. Itu anaknya nggak ngomong apa-apa lagi. Cuma iya aja. So ya itu anaknya. Gue jelasin ke dia. Intinya gue bilang ya gue udah jelasin ke dia, ke kalian. Gue gak pernah minta dia untuk bayar 10 pound. Cuma ini guys, satu harian ini udah mau jam 1 ya. Tadi gue kesitu nggak ada orang ya. Gue lupa bilang lagi. Maksudnya ya tadi gue bilang maksudnya sampai sekarang nih gue masih down banget gitu loh. Maksudnya gue down banget. Udah gimana sih lo dituduh tuh melakukan hal yang lo tahu lo nggak buat gitu loh. Kayak gue bilang tadi di office pun bukan soal duit ya, gue mau jelasin aja gitu loh. Dan kenyataan tadi anaknya tuh nggak ngomong apa, cuma ambil aja 10 poundnya gitu loh. Cuma itu gue juga bilang tuh udah ngerusak hari gue aja gitu. Nggak tahu ya nanti. Gak tau kalian dengar itu apa nggak, gue dapat message dari office ya kan, dia pantau dari tadi nih kan. Apa office bilang tuh tadi, gue bilang office nggak usah konfrontasi gitu loh. Iya sorry aja, cuma gue nggak bisa. Dia udah telepon office Dia bilang kerekam juga kata di kamera dia. Gue juga mau bilang, gue juga ada, gue ngerekam ini. Jadi dia mau, ya bagus lah. For 4 quid buat 4 pound guys. Ya emang yang dia minta cuma 4 pound guys, kembalian 4 poundnya gitu loh. Gue balikin 10 pound ya. Gue hubungan sama Stacy ini selama ini baik-baik aja ya. Tadi waktu dia telepon itu gue istilahnya belum selesai ngomong udah putus aja. Gue tahu maksud dia tuh baik, cuma nggak tahu lah kedepannya gimana guys. Ya gue ambil pilihan ya apa yang gue buat tadi, dan just gonna have to ya stick with it. Gue nggak ngelakukan hal yang salah kok. Gue nggak ngetok pintu apa ngomong kasar atau apalah, enggak. Cuma jelasin aja guys, cuma jelasin apa yang terjadi. Dia mau percaya apa enggak, pasti dia nggak percaya deh, pasti lebih percaya apa nyokapnya dia kan. Cuma itu yang penting udah bilang tuh gue ada dashcam. Jadi ini gue bilang nih, gue mau kasih tau kalian ya, gue bilang ke Stacy nih, "Hi Stacy, sorry but I had to do it." Gue bilang gue nggak mourning, gue nggak baba. Gue cuma jelasin aja ke anaknya tentang apa yang terjadi. Dan gue bilang gue senang dia ngerekam itu semuanya, karena gue juga lakukan hal yang sama. Ya, gue udah bukti juga. Ya, send guys, send. Mau gimana, we'll see. Busy typing ya guys, tunggu balasannya. Gue cuma mikir kenapa nih kayaknya Office nih kayak ketakutan banget gitu loh dia bakal buat apa-apa. Mungkin ya, maksudnya zaman sekarang ini orang tuh takut mau bela hal yang benar gitu loh. Ya nggak sih? Mendingan ya udah lepasin aja sih. Nggak mau ribet kayak gitu loh. Kok nggak bisa aja nih apalagi nih. Nah nih guys, kita balas deh. Kalian bisa baca apa enggak nih? Oke, dia bilang gini, dia ngerti gitu loh gue apa yang gue alamin ini ya, frustasinya gue guys. Tapi ini possibly kemungkinan hasilnya bakal lebih buruk lagi karena dia nih Stacy pikir ini ibu-ibu ini akan bakal mau ngomong ke Steve nih yang bos gue nih yang nelpon gue tadi pagi guys tentang masalah ini. And Stacy langsung bilang, "You won't have each other again. I'll put it on the computer." So like nah ya, Stacy bilang dia nggak bakal matching, maksudnya kalau udah job, pokoknya dia nggak bakal kirim gue apa untuk jemput ini apa ibu-ibu ini. Dia bilang gini, "Sometimes it's not worth arguing because some people won't drop things out of pettiness." Bilang sometimes kadang itu nggak worth it lah mau argue ya kan, karena beberapa orang itu nggak mau drop things, nggak mau istilahnya lupain hal ini cuma karena itu 4 pound guys, 4 pound kayak sekarang guys. Stacy bilang dia mungkin bakal akan ngomong ke Steve gitu loh. Sekarang apa dia mau goal yang dia mau tuh apa ya kan? Makanya dibilang, tadi gue bilang sini orang tuh yang dibilang thick gitu, tebal, maksudnya tik banget deh guys, maksudnya yang dia mau dari awal itu ya kan, 4 pound dia itu balik ya kan. Nah sekarang tuh udah bukan 4 pound lagi balik guys, intinya itu tuh udah dapet tuh apa, free ride ya, dan dia masih mau ngotot ya kan, untuk mungkin yang dia mau tuh ya kan, yang Steve mungkin pecat gue gitu loh ya kan. Goalnya dia mungkin itu ya kan, mungkin dia akan sampai ke council office ya kan, yang ngasih gue ini izin semuanya. Cuma good luck with that gitu loh, good luck, selamat mencoba gitu loh, karena gue ada ini, ada bukti lah, kalian tahu ya kan. So gue balas dia gini guys, you definitely deal with this kind of thing quite a lot. Ya biasa gue bilang ya, dia udah biasa lah deal sama hal-hal kayak begini kan. Gue bilang this was my first, ini pertama kalinya gue, and it's been really hard for me to deal with it since I know about it this morning. So ya susah aja gue dijelasin ke kalian guys, seharian ini gue kepikiran mulu, gue susah. Cuma gue bilang lagi ke dia, I will leave it next time it happen. Gue bilang kalau kejadian lagi nanti gue bakal lupain aja gitu, but ya mudah-mudahan gak akan kejadian lagi. Dan gue bilang thanks for your understanding. Hai guys, let's move on man, you gotta move on. Well guys, harusnya sudah selesai ya masalahnya ya. Udahlah, lupakan udah, fine udah. Apa dibilangnya, let gun be bygone. Apalah, gue udah ngawur nih ngomong ya guys. But ya, gue selalu bilang it is what it is. Dia balas nih, dia bilang apa nih, ya itu honestly it's not worth getting in trouble over it. You are a good honest driver, and it had to be you. Then next time you get a pet job, just don't take them. Dia bilang next time ada job dengan pet ya kan, hewan peliharaan ya nggak usah ambil. Gue juga tahu aja, gue got nothing to do with pet gitu loh. Kalau dari awalnya dia bilang dia ada anjing, gue nggak akan ambil itu job. Hal ini nggak akan terjadi gitu loh. But then again, kesimpulan yang gue ambil sih, ini ibu-ibu ini yang gue bilang itu tik guys, tebal. Mau saya, ya itu gue menjadi tebal istilah sini, walaupun mereka salah gitu loh. Ya itu tebal guys, tebal ya. Kadang susah juga mau jelasin, tapi itulah. Alright guys, enough. It's enough. Wah, mungkin ini bukan, cuma ya inilah, ini dukanya ya. Namanya ya ngasih pelayanan servis ya kan. Pasti akan ada lah kan yang komplain ya kan. Nah ini salah satunya. Jadi ya kalian lihat nih di video, bukan video biasa. Iya bukan video biasa gue ngobrol sama apa pelanggan gue ini video customer complaint guys. So I'm not gonna say like, you know, I hope you enjoyed this video. Ya gue juga bilang mau jadiin pelajaran, mungkin pelajaran buat gue ya, lain kali lebih hati-hati. Alright guys, udah ngomong udah panjang banget nih. Thanks again guys. Gue tahu kalian semua pasti dukung gue lah ya kan. Pastilah. Mudah-mudahan. Alright guys, see you in the next one, okay? Guys, gue mau ingatin guys, jangan lupa ya, follow gue di Insta ya. Please follow gue di Insta yang udah pada follow gue di YouTube guys. Follow gue di Insta. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one guys. Bye.